This in this video we will discuss about the L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? It says that if limit x tends to 0 f of x, or any point we can suppose x tends to a f of x equals to some 0, and limit x tends to a g of x is also 0. Okay, then limit x tends to, at that point, f of x by g of x will be equal to limit x tends to a f dash of x divided by g dash of x equal to L. Okay, so that means suppose limit f of x and g of x is 0 by 0 form. Okay, so in normal or simple method we used to um, do this type of question by substitution method, but if we want to do directly we can make use of L'Hospital rule. This is for 0 by 0 indeterminate form, and the second case is when limit x tends to a f of x is plus or minus infinity. Similarly, g of x is also plus and minus infinity. So that time also we can say limit at that point f of x g by g of x will be same as f dash of x divided by g dash of x, which is suppose L. This is called infinity by infinity or minus infinity by infinity form. These two forms are indeterminate form. So let's take one particular example. Consider the example limit x tends to pi by 6 1 minus root 3 10 x divided by pi minus 6x. Okay, now if you see this question, you can use directly substitution method. 6 and 7 steps the answer will come. That answer will be same if we do this question by using L'Hospital rule. So what L'Hospital rule says, that you can find derivative of numerator separately and derivative of denominator separately. The answer will be same limit. Okay, so if you find here derivative of numerator separately, derivative of 1 will be 0, minus root 3 is coefficient, derivative of 10 is sec square x. Divide by derivative of pi is 0 and derivative of minus 6x will be minus x. So minus minus will go here. Root 3 by 6 sec square x. Okay, now here you can check. See, if after substituting pi by 6 you will get 10 pi by 6 is minus root 3 by 1 by root 3 and pi minus 6 pi by 6. Okay, so see, this is nothing but 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form. So in this form only, 0 by 0 plus minus infinity by infinity, we can use L'Hospital rule. Other than other limit questions, we cannot use L'Hospital rule. So now if you observe pi by 6, if we substitute, it won't give 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity form. That means we can use directly root 3 by 6 sec square pi by 6, isn't it? So sec square pi by 6 will be 2 by root 3 whole square, which will give 4 by 6 into 3, which we can write 2 root 3 by 9 or 2 by 3 root 3. So in very simple and easy steps, we can get the answer for the limit. So this method, L'Hospital rule method, we can use in different entrance exam to find answer very quickly, or you can find in your CBSE board examination also. How? After solving using substitution method, you will get one answer. That answer is correct or not, you can verify in few seconds using L'Hospital rule.